Example 3. Pear Street intersects Cherry Street and Peach Street at their midpoints. Your home is at point P. So here's home. And we also know that this is a midpoint or a mid-segment. Okay. You leave your home and jog down Cherry Street to Plum Street. So you leave your home and you go down Cherry Street to Plum Street, over Plum Street to Peach Street, up Peach Street to Pear Street, over Pear Street to Cherry Street, and then back home up Cherry Street. About how many miles do you jog? Okay, let's think about this. So you leave your home and jog down Cherry Street to Plum Street. So I'm going to go Cherry to Plum. If I go from here and I go from down Cherry Street to Plum, I went that whole distance. Well, if this is 1.3 and that's a mid-segment, then this is 1.3, so that's 2.6. Then over Plum to Peach. So Plum to Peach. Well, I'm here and I go over Plum to Peach, and they're telling me that's 1.4. Then up Peach to Pear. So up Peach to Pear, which is right there. And if the whole thing is 2.25, and I only went, I know it's halfway because that's a mid-segment, so 2.25 divided by 2. So wait a minute, I didn't record that. Peach to Pear is 1.125 because we're going to cut it in half. Then it says over Pear to Cherry. So now we're going over Pear to Cherry, which they told us. Ooh, they didn't tell us anything. But I know that this, so let's record this. Pear to Cherry. Okay, I know this is parallel to this, and I know this is 1.4. So if I take 1.4 and cut it in half, I'm going to get 0.7 because this is a mid-segment, so it's half the parallel side. And then back up Cherry to home. So then back up Cherry to home, we know right there is 1.3. So Cherry to home is 1.3. How many miles did we run? So we're going to add them all. So grab your calculator. 2.6 plus 1.4 plus 1.125 plus 0.7 plus 1.3 is approximately 7.125 miles on your trip.